team battle. We're going to do 2 by 2. 2 with 2. Okay. So at first we have Flash and Ontario. Flash. I just unboxed it this morning. And this is also a member of the team. Barriers. And this will be like whoever wins the most battle. If you use the yellow nemesis. That clip did not mean it broke. So, and we're also gonna do this guy, Phantom and Ryan and Samurai Everett. So let's do it. At first, I am gonna do Flash Ontario versus Samurai Everett. And then Samurai Everett. Whoa! Samurai Everett reached the diffusion wheel, but he made a comeback with the tip. I just unboxed it this morning. I just made it this morning, so don't look me back. So next battle, which is you have to go by team to team. You have to like this, and then you have to back. Okay, Flash Ontario. Go! Go! Shoot! Listen, Phantom Ryan. Go! Ooh, wait! Flash Ontario. Hi. Oh. Okay, so now since Ontario did so much, barriers has not been able to battle. So you know what? This is ball mode right now. Ball mode is very good. Ooh, what's that you doing? And he dies. Let's do that battle again because I didn't feel like this. I unboxed it like a week ago, like 16 weeks ago, 2 weeks. So I think I should. But he's going with attack type in 0G, and 0G is kind of my favorite. So let's see what the next guy. Barriers make a comeback. Oh yeah, Barriers can make a comeback. So he is now facing Samurai Ryan, and he's still gonna make it. Look at that. He just Phantom Ryan. He just got him in the trap. So I think now Diablo Nemesis should face Flash Ontario because he didn't have any trouble. But let's see if this team can defeat Diablo Nemesis. At first, I'm gonna launch Diablo Nemesis. Whoa. Can defeat.
Okay, you signing off?